Hi, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Nikki.
We live in Arizona. What inspired us to look for a security door is basic security. We have 2 kids,
Yes.
and I know it was really important to have something sturdy and strong and also beautiful to represent house and who we are. When I went to the home show, I came across a few different companies, but when I got to First Impression Ironworks, I was in awe of the workmanship and all the different options that were offered that I immediately went to them.
We sat down and we were able to scroll through and look at all the different options. And we were deciding between like a nature vibe versus a modern vibe.
Or something in between. We really enjoyed the process, and we were able even to do it with our little baby around. I think not only does this provide security, but it really brings together the design of what we're looking for both outside and inside. I love that this is kind of upgrading our life and our visual of who we are on the outside.
It absolutely brings character to our house.
I don't think that I've really experienced such professionalism when it comes to something so important. I think it's important to love not only what you get, but who you're working with.
We definitely feel safe now, and we absolutely love our security.
We are so excited to use it and can't wait to show it off.